Hello and welcome to Sheet 10 again. So in today's video, I'm going to cover what trading style is best for you. So this is related to the work you do, how your schedule is every day. So we'll get into it right now. Again, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm just a trader. I'm just here to give you information on the markets and what you can do here. So first of all, which league are you playing in? So there are different types of traders and investors in the market, which are the players. The first one is the retailer. Most probably you are a retailer. Institutions are the mutual fund houses or the investment banks or the banks. Those are called the institutions or the whales. Proprietary traders are the investors or traders who have a very exceptional skills and they trade for a firm where there is a profit sharing model. Specialists are the ones who are mostly into arbitrage or they do some specific type of trading. So here mostly we are here talking about the retail traders. So what should a retail trader do? How should your trading style be? So there are different types of trading styles. So the first one looking at is the scalping. So I know here in India the cricket is very famous. So for cricket, I'm giving you examples using cricket analogies. So scalping is using very short time frames and trading in that using 1 minute and 5 minute charts. So we can correlate that to say gully cricket, which are of 5 overs or 7 overs. Here the holding time is mostly 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So you get in and get out quickly into moves. So you don't care about the trend also. You care about what the next two candles will do on your 1 minute and 5 minute charts. So this is for someone who has a knack of getting out of trades very quickly. Day trading or intraday trading is currently very famous right now. Uh, the time frames used on this type of trading are 5 minutes and 15-minute charts. Uh, if taking a cricket analogy, I'll say that this is more of a T20 match. It is not very long, but it is not very short as well. It is a 20-minute interesting match. So what you have to do here is you have to get in and get out within 1 day. So normally a trading period from 9:15 to 3:30 is 6 hours. So your holding time should be anywhere from 15 minutes to 6 hours. So you do not have to carry your positions to the next day. You have to cut your profit or losses in just 1 day. So this is what intraday trading is. The next one we are looking at is swing trading, the one that I do mostly. We can take this as an ODI match. ODI match is a sweet spot as far as I am concerned. I like ODI matches. So in this type of trading, you look at the 4 hour and the daily chart and sometimes the weekly chart to gauge the trend, but mostly 4 hour and daily charts or 1 hour chart to take the entry. Here, the your holding period of the stocks could be anywhere from 2 days to 3 weeks, or sometimes it goes on to 1 month or so. The goal here is to catch the trend that it has been going through. The one of the most important methods that I use is volatility contraction patterns. I find those patterns and I trade them. So I'll talk about them in great detail in the coming videos, but this is just the basic of what you should do. So this type of trading is very useful for someone who doesn't have a lot of time to sit in front of screens, which is needed in scalping and intraday. You're just a scanning of the your particular stocks. 30 minutes in a day is more than enough. So you can do this if you are busy, do you have a job and you want to invest in the markets, you want to trade in the market, this is very easy for you. Long term or position trading I've put here, but people also call it investing. So here we are doing is you look at the fundamentals of the stocks. So let's say blue chip equities. You know that Reliance is going to go up anyway or the other. This is not investment advice. I'm just taking an example, but Reliance is a strong stock. It might go up short term, it might come down, but in the end, the business is strong. So you hold it for several years, 6 months, according to the current market trends and how the business is going. Your goal is to compound your wealth. So Reliance, let's say Reliance gives a bonus share for around once in 8 years. So but let's not talk about Reliance here. But again, positional trading is you look at fundamentals. If you think the business is good, you look at the daily, weekly, monthly chart. If you see the trend is good, you buy and you hold for long term. That is the brass tacks. Uh, Here you need to be patient. So the short market downfalls, you can't be shaken out of that. If you are someone who gets shaken out of them, the one thing you should focus on is building your patience and holding on the stocks and believing in the fundamentals that you have done the research on the stock. So that is what is about positional or long-term trading. So in the end, I'll just say if you are a busy 9 to 5 person, you should you should get just stick to swing trading or positional trading. You should not try scalping or day trading where your mind is split between doing two things, one trading or one your own job. So this will not help even your job or your swing trading, and you won't be able to do both of those things. So you should just focus on swing trading, positional trading. You should do your own research at home, at night, and just take your trades. If you are someone who has high energy and quick reflexes, you should try scalping. I wouldn't suggest scalping for anyone because it is very, very difficult. The day trading and intraday trading has been very famous right now, but intraday trading is also risky. I've seen people lose huge sums of money in intraday trading, so I'll suggest that you be careful of that. If you are analytic and have 4 hours free, because within a trading period, 6 hours trading period, you need to be at least free for 4 hours to for your setup to come and for you to enter and exit the trade. But in the end, don't let greed choose your style. Let your schedule choose it. Choose a style which is suitable for your lifestyle. That is what matters, and that is where the wealth creation happens. Okay. So just for fun, this is what at the index and the stocks that I've selected are Nifty Midcap 50 and Motherson. This is not an investment advice, but just something to study. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe for more content. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.